Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see about intraday breakout and breakdown strategy using our algo matrix. Okay. So on first video we have learned about high and low prediction, but today we are going to see somewhat different. Okay. Selling at high and buying at low is our actual strategy, but in between, if you want to trade, you can use this strategy. Okay. No technicals and nothing. You are going to use only algo matrix, not more than that. Okay, algo matrix is more than enough for trading in between the range. Okay, now I am opening the algo matrix. I could explain you. Okay, this is our algo matrix. First, I'm going to load the EOD data. Those who don't know about loading the EOD data and how to take EOD data, you can see our high and low prediction video. In that I have clearly explained about that. Now straight away we will go for the session. Okay. After loading the EOD data, I can get every scripts here. Okay, I can get every scripts here. Okay, this intraday breakout and breakdown strategy is only used for stocks and futures. Don't use for index and options. Okay, this is only for intraday breakout and breakdown strategy for stocks and futures only. Okay, now I am selecting the script. Let me go for chart. Okay, I think my internet connection was okay. I got it. Okay. Okay, first I will go for the see. Most of them are asking how are you selecting the scripts, right? So I will explain that also. No worry. Okay, see, after taking EOD data, you will get a volatility column here. Okay, we are choosing the volatility above 2%. Okay, for the intraday trading, we are choosing the volatility. Those who have not seen that video, go and watch please. Okay, see intradays. Okay, see this. IndusInd Bank, you are getting volatility of 1.58. Directly avoid that, no need. And we are getting see the Tata Steel you are getting a 2.73%. You can select this for a intraday. Okay, like this we are choosing more than above 2%. We are choosing for the intraday. Okay, if some there will be stocks like 0.8% like that and all, it will be straight away avoid that. Don't use that for intraday on particular day. Okay, definitely you are going to get 5 to 6 scripts per day, so that you can do intraday easily and you can select the stocks easily. Okay, so okay, now I'm taking the Tata Steel. Tata Steel we have seen more than 2%, na? Okay, I'm taking the Tata Steel. Okay, after clicking the Tata Steel, your data will be displayed here. Okay, after that click the LTPW. You are getting higher value in A side and in D side you are getting a lower value. Okay, keep this and click the WLTP also. You are getting higher value in A side and lesser value in D side. Okay, this is a perfect script for intraday. Now what should do is click the higher value. Click the higher value means A plus. Okay, click the A plus straight away. And next thing, you must look the open price at 9:07 a.m. Okay, at 9:07 a.m. you are getting your open price. Okay, open prices should be in between this center row only. Okay, open prices should be in center row only. Suppose in some scripts you will get open price here and you will get here. Okay, at that situation you click the minus D or A plus or AD. You can click whatever this. You can click whatever this 4 button, but the open prices should be in between this range. Okay, this range. Okay, now I'm clicking the higher value. I think I will get my open price there. Okay, let me go for Tata Steel. Okay, yeah, one more thing, this strategy can be used from 9:15 itself. You don't need to wait for 9:30 and all. You can use it this after market opening. If market opens at 9:15, after that if you are getting any entry, you can go straight away for your trade, no problem. Okay, so this is the 8th. Okay, actually this was the 7th January's data, end of the day data. So now keeping the 7th data, we are looking for the trade at for 8th January. Okay, now yeah, this is the 8th January. What's the open price? 727 is the open price. Okay, you need not to do anything, just go for the algometric. You need to find the upper breakout point and lower breakout point, that's all. Okay, upper breakout point and lower breakout point. Okay, you need not to use this ACC and this anything, just use the MG and MR alone. MG is for the green side and MR is for the red side. Okay, okay, now for identifying the upper breakout, click the MG continuously. Okay, click the MG continuously till it comes 0.01 or sometimes it comes 0. Okay, till it comes 0.01 you should wait for that. Okay, see, now the upper breakout is 750.67. let's keep us 751. Okay, right, above 751 you can go for long. Okay, and now we found the upper breakout. Now we will find the down breakout. Okay, breakdown point. Okay, straight away go for the higher value and click the MR continuously. Okay, downside breakout is below 703. Okay, see here, stock made only high 725. You are not going to take any trade. At the end of the day you are getting 703. Okay, you are taking a 703. Okay, straight away avoid the script call did not triggered. Okay, below 703 it is a breakout point. Below 703 you can go for sell. And one more thing, if it breaks 703, we are not going to take trade at 703, right? Okay, we are not going to take any trade at the particular place. Okay, in the chart you can see this line. Okay, one blue line. Let me make that somewhat right. Okay, okay, see, this was the ATP line. Okay, ATP line, average traded price. Okay, in your terminal you can see a ATP price. Yeah, you can see the ATP price in your terminal. So now market was closed because so we cannot see that price now. So I am adding this WAP line here. Okay, this WAP line here. And one more thing, I am not using any technicals and any indicators or anything. This is for only for explaining you. Okay, in the trading terminal you can see the ATP price. Okay, 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 this line and the trading terminals ATP price will be same. Okay, you need not to get confused. These both will be same. Some most of them don't know about ATP price. Okay, most of them, 90% of the traders won't watch the ATP price. They will watch only the LTP price only. They won't watch ATP price. ATP price is the most powerful thing for your trading. Okay, ATP price is the core concept of market. Okay, you should understand that first. Okay, whenever stock is trading above the ATP price, the trend indicates the uptrend. Okay, whenever market is trading below the ATP line or ATP price, the trend is confirmed as a downtrend. Okay, trend is confirmed as downtrend. Okay, suppose let's assume the Tata Steel, if breaking that 703. Okay, we will not take entry at 703. Okay, we will wait for the retest. After breaking the 703, we will wait for the market to touch the ATP price. Okay, ATP price. Okay. Yeah, let me explain the ATP price in my trading terminal itself. It will take some time. Let's wait for that. I think ATP price will also not be displayed now because of market closed. Okay, it will take some time. Let's explain here itself. Okay, after breaking 703, you are not going to take any trade. You are just wait for the retest. You need to wait for the retest. Okay, if it touch this line ATP price, you can go for short because we got already confirmation here. It breaks 703. Tata Steel didn't activate it. Just I am showing the example and I am explaining. Most of the calls got activated yesterday. Let's check everything. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, let's come. Okay, 703. You got a confirmation here. Okay, after this you are going to retest, and if touches this line you can go short. Okay, your stop loss would be 1% and your targets would be also 1% and 2%. Okay, your target should be 1%. Yes. Okay. Okay, and next thing. Okay, this is the core concept of intraday strategy, breakout and breakdown strategy. We can see one more script. We can see more script. You can see for the ZEAL. Okay, ZEAL you are getting 4.04 lesser value at A side, at higher value at D side, and click the WLTP. Here also you are getting a lesser value and higher value. Okay, click the D minus, click the higher value. After clicking the higher value, check the open price whether it is in center. Okay, see. Okay, this is the 8th January 2021. Okay, what's the open price? 222. Okay, 222 is the open price. Okay, now you should find the upper breakout and lower breakout. For upper breakout, you are going to click the MG continuously till it comes 0.01. Okay, here it came. Okay, now your breakout is above 223. Your breakout is above 222.81. We can consider this as 223. Okay, above 223 you are going to take a entry, but you should not take entry at 223. Okay, at that time you should need to watch the ATP price there. Okay, see here, see this red line is the ATP price. Okay, in this situation we can take trade in the ZEAL. Why? Because see the LTP price and ATP price both are same at the 223 level. Okay, if you miss this and you are waiting for the retest, means where will you get entry? Where will you take entry? You cannot take entry below here or here, anywhere. Okay, if call activates, check the ATP price whether the LTP price and ATP price is same. Okay, if both are same, you can definitely take the trade. Okay, suppose if your ATP line is here. Okay, see, just I am drawing just to show you. Okay, see, if your ATP line is this. Okay, assume that this is your ATP line is this. Okay, your entry is triggering at here. 223 is your breakout, right? 223 is your breakout. 223 is your breakout. Here, see the gap between this price and this line. there is a gap. So at the time you need to wait for the retest till the price should touch the VWAP line. Okay, your entry will be 220. But in this situation, see the red line, both the entry price and VWAP price is same. VWAP is also called as ATP price, bro, don't get confused. VWAP is volume weighted average price is the VWAP, and average traded price is ATP. Both are same, no need to get confused. Okay, see, so here 223 and VWAP line is also at 223. So now we can take trade here definitely. See, after breaking 223, stock rallied up to 236. Okay, this was the one call activated 8th January. Okay, this is one of the strategy. See, our core concept is one thing only. See, let me explain that first. Most of them asked how are you finding this breakout and breakdown point and all. Just like I would explain you one thing, just keep in mind. See, there is a more difference between technicals and our algometrics. Okay, that I should say you first. Technicals and algometrics is completely different, and technicals is a postmortem report. From my point of view, technical is completely waste. Okay, so see, now I would explain you one thing. Suppose your breakout point is 228 let's keep us 226 as per the technicals. Okay, I have marked the line at 226. Assume that breakout point is 226 as per your technicals, not per algometrics. Okay, see, most of the advisors will say about 226 we can go for long, like that and all they will say. Okay, suppose if breaks as per your technicals, if breaks 226 and stock made high up to 227 or something, and after that if it returns down, what will you do? Definitely you are going to book losses only. Okay, you will not book any profit. But our algometrics is somewhat different. Okay, suppose your technical breakout is 226, means our algometrics breakout will be about 28. Okay, this is the confirmation, this is the confirmed breakout. If breaks this point, definitely stock will go up only, stock will not go down. Let's wait for a minute, I will come back.
Okay, so actual breakout of algometrics is 228. Why I'm saying? Because of only one simple method. See, if the technicals breakout is 226, it can trade at a 27 and 28, and after that it can fall. Anything can happen. But in our algometrics, this is the strongest breakout point. 228 is the strongest breakout. So once if breaks 228, it will fly. Okay, your target will be 1% or 2%. Okay, whatever, if comfortable, book your profit at 1%. That's more than enough. So the same situation happened here. After breaking the 223, our breakout point of zeal is 223. After breaking this, you need not to wait for the retest, because both LTP and ATP price are same. So you can take trade between 815 to 820 itself. 915 to 920 itself. Okay, after that it went up to 234, right? 235 something. Okay, 235. Okay, again sorry. Next, let's see the different scripts. Let's go for Titan. Okay, I'm clicking the LTPW. You are getting a lesser value in A side and higher value in D side, and click the WLTP. You are getting a lesser value in A and greater value in this. Okay, this is satisfied. So click the higher value and check whether the open price is at the center place. Okay, let's check Titan. Okay, see, this is the first candle. So open is 1547.75. Okay, 1547. So okay, it is lying between this area. Okay, now you should find the upper breakout. Click the MG continuously till it comes 0.01 or otherwise 0. Okay, okay, our breakout is above 1559.42. Let's consider as 1560. Above 1560, it is a strong breakout of for uptrend. And now let's see for the downtrend. Down, we should see for the breakdown point. Okay, click the MR continuously. Okay, 1518. Okay, below 1518 it is a strong resistance. See whether it is breaked or not. No, it did not break. Okay, so avoid the script. Okay, after that go for infi, click the WLTP lesser higher and click the WLTP lesser higher. So satisfied, so click the higher and check the open price. What's the open price? See what's the open, 1279. Okay, 1279.60, 1279.60, where it is, oh yeah, between here. Okay, in between 1275 and 1282. Open price was 1279. Okay, right. Okay, now we should check for the upper breakout. Click the MG continuously till it comes 0. Upper breakout is 1286. Okay, 1286, above 1287. See, whenever it comes 1286.03 or 49 or 63, you should round off that figure to particular point. Okay, 1286.03 is considered as 1287. Okay, 1287, above 1287 there will be a strong up move. Okay, check whether it breaks. See here, 1287, it break at the first 15 minutes. Okay, 87, where is the 87? Yeah, here. Okay, now now you are going to take entry at 1287, right? Because see, this LTP price and ATP price is same. Okay, nearby, just 1 rupee. So you are going to take trade here. Okay, after that your stop loss should be 1% and your target should be also 1%. Let's check for the stop loss. 1287 minus 1%. Okay, your stop loss is going to be as 1274.13. Okay, 74.13, let's consider that as 74. Okay, okay, this is your stop losses. Okay, this is your stop loss and target is let me check, 287 plus 1%, 1299. 1299 is your target all the way done. Okay, here your target. Okay, you are going to take the take a risk of, I think, 12 points. Okay, 12 points, I think so, 13 points. Okay, 13 points. For the risk of 13 points, you are going to get 13 points of profit. Your target was done here. Okay, whenever it breaks our support price or resistance price, breakout price or breakdown price, you can take trade after getting retest. But in the same condition we seen on Z. Okay, both LTP price and ATP price are same, so we took trade directly. So suppose if your breakout is here, okay, your breakout is here and your retest ATP price is here, means wait for the stocks to fall till the ATP price. Okay, if when it touches the ATP price, you can go for long. Okay, suppose in this condition, suppose your breakout point is 295. Okay, 1295. Okay, without giving retest, it went up to 1310. Okay, assume that your breakout point is 1295. Okay, without giving any retest, it flied up to 1310. Okay, now you should check one thing. After breaking our breakout point, you should check whether stock rallied up to 0.5 percentage. Okay, so 1295 is your breakout point. Okay, above that it should not go more than 0.5 percentage. Okay, 0.5 percentage. So I said stock went up to 1310, I think so. I said 1310, right? Okay, 1310, but our 0.5 percentage is 1301. Okay, it break that and went up to 310 and it made high 310 and our target also done. So at the time after hitting target, it comes and touch the ATP line, means you should not go for any trade. Okay, you should not go for any trade. So this is also one of the perfect trade on Infosys. Till now we got two entries, one is Zeal and another one is Infosys. Okay, and next one more script I will say you. Let's take a UG1. Click the LTPW. See, at A side you are getting higher and D side you are getting lesser. So click the WLTP also. Here you are getting A side higher and D side lesser. So straight away click the A plus. Okay, now check the open price. Okay, check the open price. What's the open price? 298.10. Okay, 298.10. So it is lying between this area. Okay, it is considered as a perfect script. Okay, now click the MG continuously for the upper breakout. See it. Okay, 0.01. Okay, above 3010. Okay, make it as round of this 309.85 to 3010. Okay, above 3010 it is a long, and on down breakout is click the MR continuously 289. Below 289 you can go for short. Whenever if you get retest you can enter, otherwise you should not enter. Okay, now what's the high of the UG1? Okay, what's the high of the UG1? 310.95. 310.95. Okay, your breakout is happened 310.95 and perfectly it given retest. Okay, perfectly it gave perfect retest, but here we won't take any entry. See, whenever if you are trading at the intraday position, don't take trade after 1 p.m. Okay, your trade should be completed within 12:30 to 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. you should not take any trades. Okay, because whenever doing intraday you should give some time to market. Okay, but after 1 o'clock you do not have any time to take trade. Okay, after 1 p.m. you should not go for any trade, keep in mind. So straight away we should avoid this. See, our trading time is 9:15 to before 1 p.m. Okay, after 1 p.m. you should not go for any trade. Okay, so we are not going to take any trade, because why I am saying is already it was a up rally. Okay, up rally and stock came down and given retest. See, if you see, this is also one type of retest, but the candle price didn't touch our VWAP line. Okay, whenever if touches VWAP line you should go for trade, otherwise you should not go. Suppose if the candle touched here, means you can go for long at 305, I think so. Yeah, at 305 you should you can go for long, and stop loss will be 1%, 301.95. so we can consider this as a 302. Okay, 3.2 is our stop loss, and only risk of 2 points. You are going to get 2 points, 1% as a target, 2 points, almost from 305 to 308.90. Almost it went up to 4 points. You got a 2% of profit. Okay, you got a 2% of profit, but after 1 p.m. you are not going to take any trade. Okay, just keep in mind, because after 1 p.m. the trend will definitely change. Okay, so on that time after that we are not going to take any trade, so you should avoid this. Okay, let's go for Adani Ports. L&T, I don't have much volatility because I have checked yesterday itself. Okay, let's go for Adani Ports. We are getting 14.76 and 12.36 and 14.38 and 12.73. Okay, click the A plus. Now check the Adani Ports open price. Okay, what's the open price? 520. Okay, check whether the 520 is here. Okay, 520 is here, so click the MG continuously. Click the MG continuously, see till it comes 0.0. so see this 528.62. okay, 528.62 consider as 529. Above 529 you can go for long. Okay, see here what the high made. Only high made 527.35. okay, your long call was not triggered, so see for the down breakout 507. okay, below 507 you can go for short. Whenever if you get retest you can go for long or short. See for sell side also it has been not triggered, so straight away avoid this. Okay, and we can see for SRT transport, I think SRT transport is also not activated. Let's go for PVR. okay, you're getting higher value and you're getting lesser value. Click this. You are getting higher value and you are getting lower value. Click the A plus. PVR. okay, what's the open? 1451 is your open. okay, 1451. yeah, it is lying between this area. Click the MG continuously. What's the upper breakout? Above 1465 it's a long. What the high made? 64. yeah, see this. yeah, this is the perfect trade, I think so, but call didn't get activated. Okay, no problem. See breaking the 14. yeah, see this. See the candles high. See the candles high 1465. 1465. okay, what I said, you should round off this figure to 1465. only you should take trade only if it breaks 1465. okay, suppose if the stock made high 1465.10, your call was triggered, but you will not take any entry. After giving retest you will take entry here at 1453. okay, after 1453 it went up to 1471, almost yeah, your 1% target was hit, but call didn't get activated. Whenever if touches the VWAP line you should go for trade. If it is not touching, you should not go for any trade. Otherwise, if you are not ready to miss this trade also, means keep a 1 point buffer above the LTP line, ATP line, and below the 1 point on ATP line. That's all. So if you have kept buffer, means definitely you will take trade at 1455. it went up to 1471.30, almost your target then. okay, now it have broken your 1465 here, right? okay, you are waiting for the retest. okay, your retest done here. okay, but see the time. What's the time? it is 1:30. okay, at 1:30 we are not going to take any trades. After that we are not going to take any trades. Why I am saying is, after 1:30 the maximum time is up to 2:45 only. okay, if you take trade at 1 o'clock, means maximum time you are giving for the market is just 1.45 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, in that 1 hour 45 minutes definitely you are not going to hit the target. After 2:45 p.m. definitely in all scripts and every index and anything it may be, profit booking will come. Okay, particularly the stock will be in downtrend. Okay, but after 4:45 all sorters will book profit at the low price. At the time market will go up. Okay, so in first video I have said first 15 minutes is a emotional trading, and at evening time after 2:45 p.m. remaining time will be also emotional trading. So you should not go above 1:30 1 o'clock. Okay, you should not go for any trade after 1 o'clock. Okay, understand? Okay, this is the core concept of intraday strategy. Like this we can see many scripts, but I'm not going to explain everything. Okay, so now the main doubt is, after market opening, how can we see this all scripts at a single time? You may have a doubt. No problem, you can predict this breakout point and breakdown point before day itself. You are not going to verify anything. Okay, you are not going to verify anything before day. You can find this everything, no problem. See, suppose if trading closing if market is closing at 3:30, means after 4 o'clock you are going to take EOD in your trading terminal. After editing everything, you are going to straight away load the EOD and see. After clicking the higher value, you didn't know, you don't know any open price for the script on the next day. Okay, suppose at the time what should I do? You may have a doubt. Okay, at the time no problem, check the close price. Okay, check the close price, click the higher value and check the close price, whether the close price is lying in between this area. Okay, whether the close price is lying between in this area. Okay, so now for the particular PVR, your close price is lying between here. Okay, definitely on the next day market will open between this range only. It will not go to this range or this range. Okay, 90% of the script will respect this. Okay, no worry. So at the end of the day, after taking all the data, you are just going to load the data and click the higher value, and you are going to click the higher value. Okay, so 1464.7 is a upper breakout. So you are going to set a alert 1465, crossing above 1465. You have enough time to take trade, don't worry. If breaks for 1465, you are not going to take any trade, you are going to wait for the retest. Okay, so you have more than 15 to 30 minutes to take trade. Okay, no worry on that. Okay, before day you are going to set alert and you are going to take trades. Okay, so volatility will be also, we will take volatility more than 2%. Don't go below 2% because the stock won't move for the particular day. So go above 2% and trade like a boss. Okay, that's all for the today. So we will be coming on next week. We are planning to come on live market, so that will be announced in our Telegram channel. You can watch that, and Telegram channel was given below. Telegram ID was given below. You can join our channel by below link. Okay, otherwise go for the, suppose if you are not getting any idea in that, just go for the search in your Telegram and type Young Vibe Traders. Okay, if you type Young Vibe Traders, our channel will become. Okay, just click this and you will get a join button below this. You can join that. Okay, that's all for the day. Let's close our session. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Do subscribe. And our January classes are starting at January 18th. Okay, you may book your seats. In our Telegram ID I have given all details about that. Okay, you can see that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.